Welcome back to a new unboxing video featuring the WYZE CAM from WYZE. This is a 1080p HD indoor camera with Wi-Fi that connects to your router's 2.4 GHz band. The listed price of this cam today on Amazon is $26 US and 46 Canadian dollars, making it a very budget indoor surveillance camera. So the packaging looks very neat, and you can see the picture of the camera in front, and on the side you see the various features of this camera listed, which includes 1080p full HD recording, night vision, two-way audio, 8x digital zoom, motion and sound detection, and also 14-day free cloud storage. In the back of the camera, you can see that you can integrate it with Google Home Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and it also works with the IFTTT platform. And you can set it up using the WYZE mobile app. So let's open this package and see what's inside. You can see the camera that's inside. So it's enclosed in this cardboard box, and yeah, this is the camera. We'll take a look at that in a minute. What else is in the box? We have a quick start guide. And what else? We have another box. Let's open this box up and see what's inside. Inside the box, you will find the camera, you'll find a quick start guide, you'll find the power USB cable, you'll find the adapter, power adapter, you'll find a wall mounting plate and a piece of adhesive. The adhesive is to mount the camera or to stick the camera onto the wall mounting plate. Taking a closer look at the camera, you can see the lens in front, and there is a sensor. I think this is a light or motion detection sensor. And towards the back, you can see there is a power inlet. That's where this power cable connects to. There's also a USB slot. I'm not sure what that is for. Maybe you can use a USB for local storage. We'll check that out in the manual. There is also a speaker for the two-way audio. You can basically lift it off this plate and you can adjust the camera in whichever direction you want. So you can have it look sideways, to the right. You can have it looking upwards. You can have it looking downwards. So you have a good amount of flexibility in pointing the camera to whichever direction you want. And hidden underneath here, you will see a setup button, and there is also a micro SD card slot. So this is for local storage. We'll get into that in a bit. Alright, so I have the WYZE app downloaded from the Apple Play Store. So let me go ahead and create an account first. Okay, so once you have successfully created a WYZE account, once you log into the app, this is the home page you'll see. So let's select new device and let's select WYZE CAM. So it says plug your WYZE CAM into a power outlet and wait till the yellow light flashes shortly after. So let's do that. Let's plug this camera into power. Okay, so here you can see the solid yellow light. Now let's wait till it flashes yellow. Okay, so the light has started flashing yellow. Now The instructions say press the setup button for 3 seconds until you hear a voice prompt. Okay, the setup button is under here. Okay.
Ready to connect.
Okay, so it's saying ready to connect. Now let's go to the app. Next.
Ready to connect.
Press setup under cam. We already did that. I hear ready to connect. I do. Select your network name. Okay, that's my network. Now let me type in my password. Okay, so I have entered my password. Next. So it shows a QR code.
Ready to connect.
And scan the QR code below with your cam. Okay, so let me use the camera
QR
to
code scanned. Please wait.
okay, so the QR code has been scanned and you can see the light is now flashing blue and yellow. So blue and yellow means flashing yellow and blue lights means connection is in progress. Okay, so connection is in progress. Let's wait.
Setup completed.
Okay, so setup has been completed. Oh, I hear QR code scanned. Go next. Okay, so now we have to name the device. I'll say, what should I say? I'll say garage cam. Okay, and I will click finish. Share device, maybe later. Okay, so now it's connecting to the camera. So when it immediately connects, you will get a firmware upgrade option. So let's go ahead and upgrade the firmware. Upgrade. Okay, so let's wait till the upgrade completes. Okay, so once the firmware has upgraded, you will see the screen. You'll see a prompt saying like your firmware has been updated successfully, and then you can return to the home page, and then you will see the cam and you will see the solid blue light, which means the firmware has updated successfully. Now it's showing office cam. I'm not quite sure why that is office cam. I have named this garage cam. So I don't know where that office cam thing came from. Now when you click on that, now you are seeing a live video feed from the camera. So you can go full screen. We'll do that. Now let's see. Let's look at the video feed. Okay, so you can see the green rectangle. So it definitely is identifying an object that is moving in front of the camera. Now let's see what other options we have. We have the option to take a photo. Okay, so it's saved to my album. Now we have the speak option. So this is the two-way audio feature. You can basically press and hold that speak icon and speak. So basically you'll hear it through the camera's audio, the mic. So let's see. Hello. Hello. Hello, this is a voice test. You have the option to record. So now it's recording a video feed. So let's see. Okay, so stop. Now, how do I see that videos? Let me check. Events, not in events, not in Discover. Oh, I believe it gets saved to the cloud. here in albums. So if you select photos, so basically you have to select more, you have to go to album, then you can click on photos, then you'll see the photos that you captured. Alright, now you can select video and then you can play back the video. There you go. Now you have the option to record it in 360p or high definition. So it's up to you. If you want good quality, I prefer it at HD. Currently this is on HD, so I leave it on HD. Then you can view the full screen. Okay, so let's take a look at settings. So you have a different options here. You have the event recording. So right now the motion detection is turned off. Let's turn it on. Okay, come across to the events tab, and if you select motion, you can see all the videos are actually available here. Alright, so that is a wrap on the unboxing video of the WYZE CAM. So if you like this unboxing video and if this was helpful for you, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Stay safe.